My name is Sunnie and I'm a licensed medical esthetician at Weiler Plastic Surgery at the Bluebonnet location. SkinPen is a microneedling device that is used to stimulate collagen in the skin. It can target fine lines, wrinkles, pores, tone, texture, acne, scarring. It's kind of a very versatile treatment. A patient can expect to come in. We start out with cleansing the skin. We usually try to take some before and after pictures. We numb the skin. We numb the skin for about 30 minutes. The actual treatment itself, if we're just doing full face, takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Very comfortable. The downtime is usually about 4 to 6 hours of redness, but by the time you wake up the next morning, your skin is pretty much back to normal. It's similar to something called radiofrequency microneedling, but it differs in other areas because it's safe for a lot of skin types. So if you're someone that has melasma, you're not supposed to use heat on your skin. So this is a great alternative to something like radiofrequency microneedling for someone to use. You usually start to see results with microneedling about 3 to 4 weeks out. We usually do a series of 3 and they're spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart. Who's the ideal patient for this? Really anyone is a candidate for SkinPen microneedling, minus if you are someone who is experiencing acne or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. If you are someone who is experiencing acne, we have skincare that we can get you on and get you prepped and ready to do something like microneedling. If you're interested in microneedling, give us a call. We'd love to see you.